Don't take my kindness for weakness. Oh no, don't take my silence for ignorance. Oh no. So if you're into stepping over lines, stomping on my way in life, there's two things you need to know. We don't retreat, we reload.
Always into giving a helping hand, but never take a handout. Shaking hands to sign a deal, that's what we're still about. Keep sweat on our brow and dirt on our plow, in hopes for making a future for the ones that we care about. It's a tradition, passed down like hand-me-down jeans with stitches. That humble background is rolling through our system, flowing like a river. Bred to be a hero and never play the victim. Never start nothing, but we will finish it. So don't be so quick to run your lips, cause you can get slapped by the same hand that I would've helped you with. Somebody tell them.
Don't take my kindness for weakness. Oh no, don't take my silence for ignorance. Oh no. So if you're into stepping over lines, stomping on my way in life, there's two things you need to know. We don't retreat, we reload.
A lot of times we don't speak, we just listen. Silence is a virtue. Try and find out what you've been missing. Although we keep our distance, I peek over the fence and think the world needs a little John Wayne in it. Respect is earned, we say ma'am is served. Salute those who serve, cause it's well deserved. The first to call you out if you're lying, but the last to kick you out if you're trying. We're the worst folks to those who kick us when we're down, but the best to those who've always been around. Friends for life. Trespassers get shot once, survivors shot
Don't
twice.
take my kindness for